Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Crafter. 30 Trendline MWB with 140 horsepower and only 20 kilometres on the clock. This sleek white van is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with a manual transmission, perfect for all your cargo needs. Packed with comfort and safety features like adjustable steering, air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning, this Crafter is designed to keep you safe and comfortable on the road. With exterior features like towbar preparation and interior cup holders, this van has everything you need for a smooth ride. And with security features like multiple airbags and traction control, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this fantastic vehicle with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.